Have you ever wondered how some investors manage to minimize their tax while growing their property portfolio? Today, we're unlocking the secrets of negative gearing, a strategy that could significantly impact your investment success. Stick around because understanding this could be a game changer for your financial future. Hey, I'm PK and welcome to our channel, where we simplify complex property and development concepts into actionable steps. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss out on any of the tips that could transform your investments. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Be sure to consult with a qualified professional for advice tailored to your specific situation. Negative gearing occurs when the income you earn from a rental property is less than the expenses of the ongoing management of it, meaning you're running at a loss. But here's the catch. That loss can be offset against your other income, reducing your taxable income and potentially resulting in a lower tax bill. Before we explore how this strategy can work for you, let me tell you about a community that can help you get the most out of your property investments. Connect with your fellow property developers in the Little Fish Network, our free online community. Learn from experts, share insights, and get the support you need to thrive. Visit littlefishnetwork.com or scan the QR code on the screen. Now, let's continue. So, how exactly does negative gearing work? Imagine you own a rental property that costs you more in interest, maintenance, and other expenses than what you earn from the rent. That loss doesn't just disappear. It can be used to reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay less tax overall. This can be particularly useful for high income earners looking to reduce their tax liabilities. The benefits of negative gearing are twofold. First, you can potentially save on taxes by offsetting rental losses against your income. Second, if the property appreciates over time, you stand to gain capital growth, making the initial losses worthwhile. However, it's crucial to consider the risks, like property value fluctuations and ongoing costs. Negative gearing isn't without its risks. If property values decline, if you can't sustain the losses over that time, you could be in financial trouble. It's also important to note that the tax benefits depend on the government policy, which could change. Always assess your risk tolerance and financial situation before diving in. Let's break it down with a real life example. Say you earn $100,000 a year and your rental property generates a $10,000 loss. With negative gearing, you can deduct that $10,000 from your taxable income, potentially saving you a significant amount on your tax bill. However, if the property increases in value by $20,000, you've not only reduced your taxes, but also gained on that investment. So, what should you do next? First, evaluate your financial position and investment goals. Are you prepared to sustain a short-term loss for potential long-term gains? Next, consult with a financial advisor to explore how negative gearing could fit into your investment strategy. And remember, it's not just about saving on taxes. It's about building wealth through smart investments. Negative gearing can be a powerful tool in your investment strategy, but it's essential to understand the risks and benefits fully. If this video has helped clarify how negative gearing works, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might get benefit. And as always, if you've got questions or need further insights, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. And if you're ready to join a community of like-minded property lovers, make sure you check out littlefishnetwork.com, a free community and resource created solely to help legends like you win at property. Happy developing!